Chapter 4 Health and Hygiene. Good morning, students. Today we will see the exercise of this chapter 4. Some exercise questions I have already solved for you people, so you can just simply see and you should write all these answers as it is in your book. So communicable, first fill up is communicable, second is calories, third fill up is mouth, fourth is vectors, fifth is metabolic, and sixth is degenerative. Then true false I have written on the left hand side. First is true, then false, then false, then true, then false, then false. Then MCQ. So a person becomes obese when he eats more food than he burns. The person can maintain personal hygiene by, and all the options are true here, so all of them. A lot of strain is put on the eyes when we watch TV continuously. Then fourth fill up is all of them. Fifth fill up is different for different age groups. Sixth is all of them. Then seventh is angina. Now this second, identify the errors in the given statement. Droplet infection are also known as. So this question you can do in the book itself, like I am doing. So here waterborne I am cutting, and you can write airborne. Then bacteria multiply slower in warm conditions, so it will be faster. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Then phosphorus helps in functioning of thyroid gland. It should be iodine. I-O-D-I-N-E, iodine. Then neurons in the kidney help to filter out nitrogenous waste. It is nephrons. N-E-P-H-R-O-N-S, nephrons. Then composition of balanced diet is same for different people, so it is different for different people. Different for different people. If a person takes fewer calories and uses more, he suffers from obesity. If a person takes more calories and uses less, he suffers from obesity. Now students, onwards you need to write in a homework copy. So this question, short and precise. A, show the following process in the form of flow charts. So composting and then sewage treatment. So first composting I will show you in the form of flow chart, and in the same way you need to copy this in your notebook, homework notebook. Okay, so this is the flow chart for the composting process. So organic waste like newspaper, leaves, grass, fruit, vegetables, kitchen waste, woody materials. Then under the soil where microorganisms are there. Then water in presence of air, then carbon dioxide, heat is released, and then we have finished compost. Okay, so you need to be very careful regarding the arrows direction. Then we will see this sewage treatment process. So we have sewage, bar screens, grit and sand removal, then clarification, aeration, natural cleaning up, disinfecting by chlorination, and then final is to distribution system for use. Now give reasons for the following statement. First one is, health is not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. So its answer you can find on page number 56, and that one you need to write from health to this infirmity. Okay, so we have completed this one. Then growing children need more carbohydrates and proteins as compared to old. Then the answer is on page number 64. So you need to copy from here to here. Then third one is, junk food has more calories but little nutritional value, and you can find the answer on page number 65. From the first paragraph, junk food has more calories but little nutritional value. It is rich in carbohydrates, fats and salts which have high calories. So we completed this third also. Now a person cannot remain fit if he is clean but his surroundings are dirty.